Hello everyone, hit like if you like our content. Alright, so this is the brief on the upcoming BMW i3 sedan, BMW's electric i3 sedan. Well, it's getting really close to launch. We know this because BMW just dropped some official photos of the first models actually rolling off the line. Now, they're still hiding behind camouflage, but this is the best look we've gotten so far. The production status, they're calling this pre-series production, and that's a huge deal. It basically means the car's development is, well, it's done. Right now, BMW is just spending the next few months ironing out any kinks in the assembly process, to make sure the official launch goes off without a hitch. Second, let's talk specs. Okay, so nothing's official yet, but we're likely looking at a dual-motor setup pushing around 463 horsepower. That's going to be paired with a massive battery that's targeting a range of about 400 miles. And get this, the charging speed could peak at 400 kilowatts. That's enough to add 230 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Wow. And finally, the timeline. Full production is scheduled to kick off in the second half of this year. But don't worry, BMW will pull off all that camouflage and reveal the final car sometime before production really ramps up. So the bottom line is this. BMW is basically just perfecting the assembly line for a high-powered long-range electric sedan that's arriving later this year. Stay tuned for more automotive news, and goodbye.